So number 11, we're just going to basically do by inspection here. We have the graph of the derivative of f is shown. So we need to make note that that is the graph of f prime. We want to know which one of these things is the graph of f, the original function here. Okay, so let's see. If I take a look at just the x-intercepts of f prime, those are places where my original function needs to have a slope of 0, a horizontal tangent line. I can get rid of then a and b because those don't work. Next, if I look at the behavior, knowing that from -2 to 2, my first derivative is positive, that means I need to be increasing on the interval from -2 to 2. C is decreasing from -2 to 2, so that is out. D is decreasing from -2 to 2, so that is out. However, this function E is increasing here from -2 to 2. So using that piece of information plus my critical points tells me that E is in fact the correct answer.